In this video, I'll show you how to add text in Canva using the latest 2026 version. Whether you're designing a YouTube thumbnail, presentation, social media post, flyer, or poster, adding and customizing text in Canva is quick and easy. First, open your web browser and go to *Canva.com ***. Sign in to your Canva account, then open an existing design or create a new one by selecting the template or custom size you need. Once your design is open, look at the left-hand sidebar and click **text**. Here you'll find options to add a heading asterisk, subheading asterisk, or body text asterisk. You can also browse ready-made text combinations if you want a more stylish look. Click on the type of text you want to add. A text box will appear on your canvas. Simply click inside the box and type your own text. To customize it, select the text box and use the toolbar at the top of the screen. You can change the font size, text color, bold, italic, alignment, spacing, and more. Canva also lets you adjust letter spacing and line height to make your text easier to read. To move the text, click and drag it anywhere on the canvas. To resize it, drag one of the corner handles. If you want to rotate the text, use the rotate handle below the selected text box. You can duplicate your text by pressing **Ctrl+D** or copy and paste it using **Ctrl+C* and Ctrl+V***. To delete a text box, select it and press the **delete** key on your keyboard. When your design is complete, click the **share ** button in the top right corner, then select *download**. Choose your preferred file format, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, and save your design. And that's all there is to it. That's how to add text in Canva using the latest 2026 version. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.